What's up, everyone? We are back on another local contractors project, Innov8 Coatings. We got Brian, black shirt, Alex, one of the Leggari crew members, and then Brian's dad, Mark. He's scribing out the borders. Pool deck renovation. We're not gonna be doing our textured deck system on here, but he is gonna be using our overlay product. What color's the border?
Dark gray.
So dark gray border, 8 inches all the way around. And then out here is gonna be just gray, natural gray, our natural gray overlay color everywhere else. And then it's just gonna be a squeegee finish. We're gonna apply it with the squeegee, and that's gonna be the finish of the product. I'm gonna jump in here, help these guys. Yeah, look at that. I hear it. Yeah, dude. That's sick. That's sick. Freaking Navy, baby.
Hey, man.
You ain't even gotta explain that. I don't know. That's a pro tip. I don't know. Just kind of scoop it out. Get really easy to cut. Is it?
It is, dude.
For spraying water too?
Yeah. Hey.
That's
even,
good.
Even, epoxy,
Yeah.
when you cut the doorways.
Yeah, it
for a
doesn't
flake,
bleed through.
Blue always bleeds through.
Yeah.
It's super annoying.
Yeah. This doesn't.
No.
You being a hunter right now?
I'm being.
Okay, what he's saying blew my mind. I'm just playing. And so the with frog tape, right? Yellow or orange frog.
I don't know.
Where do you get it?
I just Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Yeah, it is like a frog tape. It's the heavier duty, stickier stuff.
The heavier duty orange stickier stuff from Home
But it
Depot.
pulls way better than blue.
That's what you want to get. He says it sticks amazingly. You always get, if you get blue tape wet, that'll kind of crinkle up and want to peel. Alex just sprayed this tape pretty heavy, and it's still stuck down good. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. So that's your ticket right here, orange tape, Home Depot, thicker stuff, like he said. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. Oh, he's got it right here. Perfect. Heavy duty masking tape. Strong adhesive, 3-day clean removal. Orange. That's the ticket. We're gonna get going here. Brian's gonna manhandle the faces. cool process. Love coming out and showing you guys these projects, and you can kind of see this stuff in the sun's already starting to dry out. It's the shade that's going to take a while, and so they're going to throw fans on, but we're not going to be able to stick around to get sealing. But again, sealing's probably the easiest part. He'll be able to seal this by the time he gets done sealing it. I mean, it dries so fast. You can always put a fan on sealer as well to help speed it up. That's probably the easiest part of the process, is actually sealing. And so if you want to, watch a video on that, head to Texture Deck System. Watch how we seal the Texture Deck, same exact application. So we're going to get cleaned up, and then we'll be back tomorrow, get you guys some final footage after everything's pulled, rocks are put back, and then the before and after this one's going to look really, really good.